Okay, today we are going to discuss about digestive enzymes. In our food, what we have? We have carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, along with salts and also minerals. Right. So if you see, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are going to get digested in our body, but salts, minerals, and vitamins are not going to digest by our body. Only these three are absorbed by our body. Absorbed by our body. So that is why, if you see here, carbohydrates are partially digested in the mouth itself. There is a statement in our textbook. So what it is? Carbohydrates are partially digested in the mouth with the help of saliva. So that saliva is secreted by three pairs of salivary glands. Three pairs of salivary glands are present in the mouth, and they are secreting salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. This salivary amylase contains amylase. What it contains? Amylase. So the action of salivary amylase acting on carbohydrates, and these carbohydrates are changed to maltose. Carbohydrates are changed to maltose. Right. Next, if you see, after the mouth, what we have? Esophagus. But in the esophagus, there is no digestive enzymes. Whenever it reaches to stomach, so stomach contains glands. What glands? Gastric glands. These gastric glands are going to secrete an enzyme called as pepsin. What is called as pepsin? This pepsin is secreted into the stomach and acting on proteins, and proteins are going to convert it to peptones. Protein are going to change to peptones. Next, if you see fats, so in our body, in our digestive system, we have liver. This liver is going to secrete juice called as bile juice. So here we have one more question. Which digestive enzyme does not contains any digestive enzymes? So that is what? Bile juice, not an enzyme. So this bile juice is acting on the fats, and these fats are going to convert it to large fat globules are going to change as small fat globules. Large to small fat globule. Right. Next, after this, what we have? Small intestine. So in that small intestine, before the small intestine, we have liver and pancreas. Liver, pancreas. So pancreas releasing pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice. So this pancreatic juice contains first amylase. This amylase acting on same carbohydrates which are left over, they are going to get digested in this place. So carbohydrates are going to change to same maltose. Again it is going to change as maltose. Right. Next, trypsin. Trypsin is also secreted by pancreatic juice. Is nothing but pancreas is releasing trypsin. This trypsin is acting on, it is going to acting on what proteins? The proteins are going to change as peptones. Going to convert into peptones. Next, again lipase, or we can call it as lipase. This lipase is going to act on fats, and these fats are going to convert into fatty acids or glycerol. Right, glycerol. Next, trypsin, lipase. Then after we have one more. What it is? After the duodenum, we have small intestine. So intestinal walls also going to secrete an enzyme called as peptidase. This peptidase is acting on peptides, These peptides are going to convert into amino acids. Next, if you see after the peptidase, what we have? Sucrase. Sucrase is going to act on cane sugar. This cane sugar is going to convert into glucose. Right? So total we have